Alright guys, just thought I'd post up a quick video just chatting about a denim shirt repair restoration that we're doing to this one. It's coming to us. The gentleman's had it for a number of years and wants to keep it going. As you can see here, the worst damage on the shirt is around about at the elbow point. It's obviously all bust open into a big hole there, and it's all gone around the opening part, around the cuff. That's all gone, and then there's a few little holes around the cuffs as well, which we're going to attend to. Also around the armpits, that's another bit of a stress point. It's going to be going, it's gone there as well, so we're going to be doing some work there. And I mean, obviously around the collar and stuff, he's fine with all this. Obviously it's all in keeping with that vintage type look. He doesn't mind all the little bits like that. It's just the bits that are obviously getting much worse that he needs to have some attention. And then also going on to around the pockets, it's a bit of a stress point. It's going to do a little bit of oversew work there in the corner, and then we're going to do a little bit of a touching up around that edge as well to stop that from going through. So there you have it, guys. Yeah, so this is denim shirt restoration. Obviously we do work on denim shirts. We've got all the right cottons and colours and whatnot to do some really nice restoration work on this. We did have it in a few years ago. It was a big massive hole on the elbow, which we've restored for him there. So we've kept it going for him by doing little bits over the years to it for him. And there you have it. So yeah, so with the video, after I've done the repair work, I'll post up an after video, and also you can check out my Instagram account and my blog for more before and after pictures of work like this. If you want to get in touch via email, it's michael@thedenimdoctor.co.uk. And if you've got any comments, drop them below in the box. Yeah, thanks very much for watching, guys. I really appreciate all the support on the channel, and I hope you found this informative. If you need to get your denim shirt restored, obviously by ourselves or by someone else, it can be done. Just make sure you try and take it to a specialist to get the work done to a decent standard. Yeah, that's my advice. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Take care. Thank you.